In this video, I am going to show you how to insert SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can follow this step-by-step guide easily insert your SIM. Let's get started. First of all, pick up your SIM card on your hand. After that, also pick up this icon or pin. This also give your phone box. Once you found it, simply take your phone, then find the SIM slot. If you found there or here, this is variant model. For example, my phone is available here, so I am found it. Located this simple icon. Once you found them, simply pin this icon and hold it and wait a few seconds. After the SIM slot is half available, simply use your finger and easily you can open. After that, take your SIM card. Once you take your SIM card, simply adjust the exact place your SIM slot. Once everything is okay, you can set your SIM slot. Simply set them your phone. Once you successfully set it, please close the app. Now open and unlock your phone. And this time right now your SIM card is available here. And that's it, how you can easily insert SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Like this video, subscribe to my channel.